introduced to Zimbabwe, and it came via Kenya. It originated in a country called the Democratic Republic of Congo. So musicians moved from Democratic Republic of Congo because of instability in the country, and they moved to Kenya, and they met with Kenyan musicians and started playing a form of rumba that was different from the one played in DRC. And people didn't know what to call this form of music, this new style of music, and they called it Kanindo after the producer who was producing this type of music. And this music was sold under a record label called Sungura. Yeah, Sungura. So the name of the record label was written on the vinyl record in bold letters. Now, when freedom fighters were coming into Zimbabwe, they are the first people who came with these records. So people in Zimbabwe thought that the type of music was called Sungura and started calling it Sungura. And the music was very popular in Zimbabwe. And within a short time, we had many Sungura bands in Zimbabwe. And it became one of our biggest genres of music. And I'm going to demonstrate just one typical Sungura song, and then we'll move to the next stage. So Sungura again was slower than GT, and Sungura musicians, they also wanted to play GT as well. So they also started playing GT, but in a Sungura style. I don't know if you've noticed the changes here. The Mbira musicians were playing GT in a Mbira style, and the Sungura musicians were playing GT in a Sungura style. So I'm going to play GT in a Sungura style.